Alright, so in this video we're going to be learning some more data structure in Python, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with sets, which if we create a variable with s, and we use curly braces, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Alright, so what we've made here is a set with some curly braces. It's almost like a list, but with curly braces, but there's a major difference, and if we run this, you're going to see what the major difference is. So I'm going to print s to run it. Alright, so if we print s, originally we gave an input of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, but over here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is because a set only lets you keep unique values, so it'll take away any repetition of values. So if I do n is equal to 1, 1, or not 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, something like this, and then I do print n. When at 1, 2, 3, it just cancels all the repetitions and only keeps one of each value. So that's good for storing unique values. So in sets, you can never have repetition. So to add something to a set, you do s.add. If you want to add to this set up here, and let's say I wanted to add if I wanted to add a 1, you probably know what would happen. I need to print s. So if we add a 1, it's obviously not going to change it at all because only unique values. But if you want to add, let's say, something that's not there, let's say we want a 7 to that set, we can add 7. If we print it, it'll give a 7 because 7 is different. It's not repeated any times in the set. So that's the basics of sets. Alright, so now we'll move on to dictionaries. So let's say x is equal to Alright, so basically this is what you would call a map in C++ or whatever, but in Python this is called a dictionary. So dictionaries, so if I do x and I do steadify and then I do print x, oh, it's unneeded. So basically if we print x and then we take the quotation mark of steadify, it's going to return 8. So a dictionary is cool because it lets you store integer values with strings and stuff. So you can almost like in C++ it's called mapping. So if you're used to C++, it's like mapping a string to an integer. So that's what dictionaries do. And I'm going to give one more example of a dictionary. Hello, if we want to map that 3 to 1, and if I do print y, not x, if I do print y by, it stores 1, so it'll give back a 1. So that's the basics of more data structure in Python. Hopefully this video was helpful. And yeah.